Please tell referee. He got my throat. Fuck. No, I've known Fale for a long time. And I know he's ruthless. All these little pieces of trash, sneaky little bastard ELP. Anybody, one-on-one, come on. In the ring, in the street, I don't care, one-on-one. Hey, good job, Henare. Nothing to be ashamed of. See that? You see that? Oh, fucking spat in my face. That's the type of disrespect this person shows, right? Wants to get under my skin, wants to get underneath my skin. Hey, it don't take a genius. There's three of you and there's two of us. We're not going to get in like that, but I'll happily play the patience game. I will happily wait till we've got you guys on your own. So it's just the two of you and it's just the two of us. And you know something that we all know. You can't match us in speed. You can't match us in strength. We are always one step better than you at everything. We're going to prove that. Kagoshima is getting closer. It's getting closer and you can feel it breathing down your neck that there's a title change coming. And it's coming to the birds of prey.
You guys think that the Bullet Club is all you need? Ishimori, you tried to dislodge teeth from my face tonight, but it didn't work. It didn't keep me down, and nothing will. Because I need to prove it to this man. I need to prove it to everyone in New Japan, and the only way I can do that is by putting those belts around our waist so we can fly higher than we ever have before. Kagoshima's coming sooner rather than later, and boys, 2 on 2, you will go down 1, 2, 3.
Good wing, baby.
Where's Fale? Fale! Goddamn. What do we even need to say? That's 3 Korikins, 3 wins for the Bullet Club. And you know what's really cool? Neither of us needed to do anything to get the job done. You see Will, you see Robbie, you may be the best junior heavyweight in England, and you may be the best junior heavyweight in Australia, but you are not the best junior heavyweight tag team on this planet, because this and that say otherwise, because they are on our shoulders, and they are not coming off our shoulders. And then flash forward to Kings of Pro Wrestling. Will Ospreay finally defends that IWGP Junior Heavyweight Championship against the Super J Cup winner, ELP. And you know what? Will, you may very well be the best pure athlete in all of professional wrestling. And I will humbly call myself the second best. But you see, I have the mental edge over you. And that is all I need to hold all the IWGP. Shit, I did it again! Fucking ruined it! Let's get out of here, brother.
Okay. Go.
Damn belt's so slippery. Sliding off all the time.
バーズオブプレイってなんかタカとかワシとかなんか言うみてたな。あいつらバカだってな。俺がどんだけこのポーズしてきたか分かってるな。な16日ファンタズモと2人であの赤い鳥たちを撃ち落としてやるからよ。It's rebound.